A helicopter caught on camera above Pinderfields Hospital by Grace Cooper. Published 1516 Wednesday 27 September 2017. Express readers said they had spotted military aircraft over Newton Hill, Stanley, Outwood, Eastmoor, Carlton, Castleford, and East Ardsley. Lisa Mason wrote, "I saw two circling Pinderfields Hospital, both landed then took off again quickly. Very random." Victoria Hilton said, "They flew over my house and towards the hospital. I thought it was strange how there were two. They didn't look like the usual air ambulance or police helicopters either." And Grace Cooper said both landed at Pinderfields Hospital in turn, while other was circling round. Only on ground about 30 seconds then took off again. Commenting on a video of one helicopter landing at Pinderfields Hospital, taken by Carl Grupp and posted on the Wakefield Express Facebook page, an RAF spokesman said it shows an RAF Puma HC-2 from 33 Squadron based at RAF Benson. Helicopter landing sites are available across the UK and are widely publicised for use. The Royal Air Force utilizes these for training on a regular basis. Did you see the aircraft? Contact us at editorial@wakefieldexpress.co.uk. Merge accounts custom true.